Oh my god, guys, we've made it. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. So guys, this is my current glitter collection. It's kind of crazy. I kind of just have it in a old polygel box that I'm going to eventually reorganize this, but these are all the glitters that I currently own. I get my glitters from everywhere, to be honest. I get them from Michael's, the dollar store, anywhere that I can find glitter. I always buy like the random mixes, and yeah, we're gonna mix some glitter. Okay, so I wanted to start off by showing you guys just some that I made that are like my absolute favorite. There's this really pretty orange color that I made, and literally it's just beautiful. I also have this really pretty pink glitter that I have been waiting to use. It's so pretty. It gives me such like Barbie vibes. It's literally adorable, and it has so many different tones, and it's gorgeous. This yellow glitter, you guys, I want to use this so bad. It literally just, something about it is just so gorgeous. All the different tones, the yellows, the oranges, the greens, it's so reflective and so beautiful. And last but not least, this blue one. Now I love this one because not only is the color beautiful, but it has like stars, it has hexagons, squares, and they're hollow. It's a really pretty one that would look good on anything. Now the containers I use, I get these from the dollar store. These are $1 for 6 containers. And so I wanted to show you guys some glitters I just got. These are from Amazon. This was really cheap. I think this was like $6 maybe for 24 glitters. And then I also got some of these circular glitters. I've never used these before, but I'm going to use them in a video very soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna show you guys just how I mix glitter. So for this first one, I'm taking this really pretty light pink color, and I also have these really pretty pink hearts that I think would be perfect for like a Valentine's Day look. So I threw some of those in there. Then I'm going to add in another pink glitter just to kind of give me some contrast. And honestly guys, I wish I would have added a little bit more pink. I will after the video is over, just because it does need just a little bit more pink. And then I'm going to add in some really pretty just white, straight up white glitter. And then I'm going to add in one more pink glitter. I know, like, you're like, how do you need more pink? You guys will see in the swatch at the end, it just needs a little bit more pink. But I'm going to go ahead and mix that up with a little spatula. And look how gorgeous that is. That gives me like the girliest, prettiest Valentine's Day glitter you've ever seen. I love this one so much. For my next glitter, I'm going for a cool toned purple. I wanted to kind of keep it all in the same tone, so for this one I'm just going to mix in the entire container of glitter. And what I love about these little pots is that you can keep them and use them for other things, which is really nice. And I'm just going to add in some fine glitter. One thing I would say if you are mixing your own glitters, to definitely mix in different tones, similar tones, different colors. That will give you so much dimension in your glitters, and it makes it a lot easier to mix them and get a good result. Then I'm going to add in some of this hollow powder. I get this glitter from Michael's. These are like $3 and maybe like $3.99 I think. And then I'm just going to take in some hollow glitter. I do feel bad because I don't know exactly where I got every glitter from. I kind of just collect them, and then when I decide I want to do mixes, I just mix them together. So that's what I can say is either buy just some glitters to start, go to the dollar store, go to Walmart, check the craft section, and just look and find some really pretty glitters. And yeah, I actually love how this mix turned out. I thought this was really pretty, really reflective, and I don't have any other purples like this, so I thought this would be really pretty. Okay, so for this glitter, I wanted to go for more of a cotton candy themed glitter. Now guys, I do have a cotton candy nail set that I'm going to do very soon. I want to do a builder gel set with cotton candy colors. So I'm taking a blue and a pink glitter, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of this reflective white glitter just to kind of help, you know, blend the colors together. Then I'm taking this thicker chunky glitter and some of this reflective, like, I think these are like hexagon glitters. I forgot what or sequin glitters. But yes, this is how you get those really pretty chunky glitters, by mixing in different shapes and textures. And you guys, this was giving me such cotton candy vibes. I love this one so much. But yes, do not be afraid to mix colors that are not the same when you're mixing glitters. That is the point, to get, you know, the dimension you want by mixing different colors together. And for this one, I felt like it was leaning more towards blue, and I wanted to make sure I could really see the pink in there. So I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of like a brighter pink glitter, and as you guys will see, like, that really gives it that like cotton candy look, which I absolutely loved. I thought this one turned out so good. Okay, so for this next one, I wanted to go for a bright orange glitter. So I'm going to start off by taking this like really bright orange glitter color, and because I have so many colors just like it, I have no problem just putting in a whole jar because I have a lot of similar colors. As you guys will see, all these colors really go together, but they're all just slightly different. So I'm going to use those to my advantage to make a really pretty orange with lots of tones. Yeah, because for glitters, it doesn't really make sense to have so many glitters that are so similar, just because, you know, you don't really need to have that many glitters, but it's up to you. You know, you never know what tone you're going to want when you decide to do your nails. Or, I mean, these are glitters. You can use these for anything. It doesn't have to be for nails. Okay, so for this one, I'm taking more of a tinsel style glitter, and I'm adding that to the mix. For this one, I wanted to go for more of like a snowy, kind of wintry, sparkly glitter. So I'm using some of the tinsel glitters. And I want to say the pack that I'm using, I got a lot of these from Michaels. And I really love Michaels glitters. They're so affordable and so cheap. Definitely catch them when they're on sale because you can get them for like $2. But yeah, I wanted this to be very wintry, very cool toned, very sparkly, just gorgeous. Okay guys, and there's that glitter a little bit. I am going to go in and add a few more different glitters. I added another glitter off camera just because I happened to find it and, you know, didn't remember to add it to the video. But it just helped make it a little bit more cool tone. I'm adding just a little bit of hollow just so it has that little bit of like sparkle that I'm looking for. And look at that. That one's so pretty, so gorgeous. Okay, so for this one is one of my faves. I'm taking this really pretty like seafoam green glitter. I got that big one from Michaels as well. And then I'm gonna add in some of my yellow mix that I had mixed up myself. And I'm adding in like a darker golden yellow. I'm going to add in some holographic gold glitter. And I want to say I got that glitter from like a Model 1s set, I think. Then I'm going to add in some darker, more emerald green glitters. And then I'm also going to go ahead and add in this really pretty like peridot, like olivey, yellowy green. I'm adding in another kind of sea foamy green color. And then on top of that, I'm adding in this like holographic teal shade, and that really just set things off for me. And then I'm gonna add in some of these chunkier gold like hexagon glitters. And like, y'all, look at this mix. You see how pretty it gets when you mix so many different colors that like go together. This one was literally such a dream. It was so pretty. I absolutely love green glitters. They're like my favorite. You guys know my favorite color is green, so I absolutely had to make one. And I'm pretty sure, I think this might be our last glitter. I could be wrong, but I had this really pretty blue glitter with pink like sparkles in it. So I wanted to kind of add in some mylar flakes. And then I also wanted to add in a little bit more of like a hot pink glitter, just to kind of, you know, play off the pink and the color blue that it was. And so now I'm just gonna mix in a couple more pink glitters, and for this one I only made a small amount because I wanted to show you guys that you can mix these up and put them in the same size glitter containers. You do not have to make a huge amount of glitter, because honestly with glitters, unless you're using them all the time, you really don't need a lot of one glitter because you're never gonna go through it. So as you guys will see, I mixed it up in this container. And then I am just throwing it into that little jar. And guys, when you mix glitters, my best advice for you is to mix them on a piece of paper. That way you have a very easy cleanup and you can just funnel the extra glitter into a container. So here is the orange glitter. That one turned out so pretty. Then here's that last glitter we made with the purple, with the pink and the blues. It's kind of giving me like a purpley vibe, which I really like. And if you turn it around, you can see a little bit more of those mylar flakes. And guys, I just put these in the tips with base coat gel, but once you encapsulate them, that gel will kind of make it look way crazier. This was the pink one I was telling you that needed a little bit more pink glitter because a lot of the white took over and kind of just made it look a little clear. So yes, that could be a little bit more pink to me. This is that cotton candy glitter that we made, and this one is just it's stunning. I can't stop looking at it. It's gorgeous, especially with all those little hollow reflective flakes in there. Then this is our Wintery mix, and as you guys can see, that just turned out to be so pretty, so sparkly, and there's so many chunks and different colors and tones. Like, this was really, really pretty. Next up is our purple glitter, and as you guys can see the different shapes, you can see the fine glitters, the thicker glitter, you can also see some of that hollow that's in there, and these turned out so good. And last but not least, we have our beautiful green glitter. This one is so pretty. It has such a like yellowy golden shift to it. I love this one so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know. And I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.